In this video, I wanted to point out a couple of very effective strategies when it comes to online internet marketing for basement waterproofing companies. This week, I did meet with a company that did a lot of foundation repair. They were paying an agency a fortune of money to do their internet marketing. The agency should be someone that they can trust. They also did basement waterproofing, but foundation repair primarily was their service that they offer. But I got to say, there wasn't one mention of basement waterproofing anywhere on the homepage. There wasn't the service mentioned, but they clearly said that they did basement waterproofing and they had other forms of advertising to promote that service, but it was never mentioned. They trusted their agency. There wasn't keyword research done. It took me about 30 seconds to show them that the phrase basement waterproofing is searched 3 times more than the phrase foundation repair. And many homeowners kind of intermix the two. They relate. So one big tip is definitely do your keyword research. And the second tip is keep track of where your money's going and where your leads are coming in from. You really need to know what return of investment you're getting from your advertising dollars. I did meet also with someone else in that phrase of half my marketing dollars are working. The problem is I just don't know which half it is. They said, oh, yeah, that's true with us. But with today's technology, you could really track everything and you could track where your money's coming from. So take advantage of those 2 tips.